Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Dev C++ into your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? You just simply come over into your Google Chrome browser, and over here you just need to type Dev C++ and then click on Dev C++ download for Windows 11. If you click on that, then you will get a website from sourceforge.net, and from here you can simply get Dev C++ download. So if you click on this website and then click on the download, and after you download will be start shortly, and after completing the timer you can see the download has been started, and it's about 48.1 MB, so it will take some seconds to download. For that, keep patience. And after you can see the download is completed, and now if you click on the folder icon, and you will get the dev cp 5.11 install file over here. So if you click on it 2 times, click yes for the permission, and going to close all background app, and here is installer language, so I'm going to select English, and if you have any different language you can simply choose it. After that, click OK, and I agree, and from here you just need to select all the compiler if it's anything is missing, and you can uncheck this one because it's not needed. Remove old configuration files, it's not needed to check it, so leave it and check all that are checked in, and then simply click next. After that, here is a destination folder, so if you click on install, and you can see that your installation file is installing, so for that keep patience, and you can see installation is completed. And now if you click on finish right now, your Dev C++ will run automatically, and you can see it's open. And from here you need to check which language you are good in, so I'm going to click on English, the only language I know over here, and then click next. After that, here you just need to select which font you want to use, so I'm going to leave it as default, and then click next. Click OK, and after that you can see your Dev C++ 5.11 is open into your computer. You can simply click on the file and click on new and start a new project over here. You can do it very easily, and you can simply select Windows applications and click OK. You can simply save the file, and then you can simply do your coding over here. So yeah, this is how we can download and install Dev C++ into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.